Good morning. Today is Friday, October 24th, and we are doing a live YouTube this morning. So we'll see how that goes. Economic data, as we said, this is going to be our first piece of economic data that we've had in a number of weeks right now. Core CPI coming out in about 2 minutes and 20 seconds. So let's see how that reacts. You can see right now on the ES, we are right just below 68.01 and a quarter, all-time high 68.1225. Same thing with the NASDAQ pushing up towards there, starting to reject a little bit towards the all-time high of 25,394. I'd like to see some pullbacks today. Yesterday was a pretty nice aggressive day yesterday for Tesla too. Actually, kind of took me by surprise. I'm sure it took a lot of people by surprise. I thought we would get a little more downside before we then started pushing higher. So we got about 1 minute and 30 seconds until we can get that data. We can take a quick peek at Tesla right now. So Tesla was really incredible yesterday. We had an open POC level at is 445.74. It hit it without any problems yesterday. And right now it's starting to reject that level. So I'd like to see a nice pullback on Tesla to come down to this 439.74 level. I've got about a minute till the data comes out. This would be a pretty good level. I had this level at 435.35. It just kind of blew right through that level right there. So I'm probably going to take this level off my charts today. Well, let's see in about another 45 seconds how this data responds. We could go over the 5-minute opening range trade real quickly yesterday. It was a beaut. As you can see, once we broke this level here at this 420.40, it just took off. And definitely caught everybody by surprise, me too. I thought we were going to have a little more pullback on Tesla before it then shot higher, but Tesla's a crazy beast in its own. It could do, it could rally like this today, and the next thing you know, we could be back down at those new lows. So you have to be careful, watch the price action, and don't get married to a bias. So let's just see what this market does right now. And it's pending. And market initially, let's see here. Yeah, 3.0. It's of course CPI is 0.2. So let's see how the market responds to that. It's the first time the number hasn't really come in line here. Let's take a look and see what the little initial reaction. Nice little pop into this 25. I got a nice little regressional channel here, holding up here. We'll see how it's going to react right now. It's the first 40 seconds of this move right now. So we'll see things start to continue on the upward trend. Pretty good volume here. Tesla's pushing higher now. I think Tesla's going to have a big level to get through. I've been saying this for a few weeks now. It's got to get through this 452.75 and hold. We are getting some reaction here, but Tesla is definitely on a tear right now. We can get above this 452.75 and hold. We're going to push higher in this 462.29, but we could reject today. And if we do reject this level that I have down here, 439.74, and get below that level, then we're going to quickly move down lower. I may leave this 435 level up today. I'm definitely going to change it to a green, because now it should be support if we get back down there. But it really, yesterday, just kind of, it tore right through it. You got a little response out of it, but then it just didn't do much. So let's just see right now. Let's take a look at the broader markets. Broader market's still pushing. This is a 30-minute chart we're looking at right now. So if we get a hold above this 25,518.29, we're definitely looking for some pretty decent upside here on the NASDAQ. Let's just go in here, take a look. So we are above all-time highs. So right now we broke through it. So ideally what you would like to see is for the market to rally today, settle down, pull back to this 25,394 at some point, and then that would be a good spot to have a long entry right now. We are in uncharted territories right now, so you have nothing to guide yourself on the high side. We did have some regressional channels that I had drawn, and so if we do hold above this level right here, we could pretty much get to this 25,880 before you would start to see some kind of resistance. And if you get through that, probably maybe even this 20, I would say 26,000 even on the NASDAQ. Let's take a look at the ES. Let's look at this 4-hour chart. ES is pretty similar here. So I have this regressional channel right here. ES 68.91.90 would be a level to get above. So we did break all-time highs, 68.12.25. We'll see if it can hold that level. And again, if we do get a push today and it rallies up here, I would look for, hopefully, you get a little bit of a pullback on Monday. So right now, we're going to leave this level up here as resistance and see how we respond to it as the day trades. Let's take a look at Tesla right now. And Tesla right now, see it's rejecting this 449.30 level. Pretty good in pre-market, so we'll see what happens as the market trades. Ideally, I would like to see Tesla have a little bit of a pullback into this 439, 441 level that we had yesterday. As you can see right now, there's some sellers stepping up in here right now, but you could see how yesterday there was a huge short squeeze. Everybody was short here after the earnings call, and then they all got, big, it's what you call a major short squeeze. But on the flip side of that, if Tesla does pull back and it loses this 439.74 level, we can lose all the gains that we had yesterday. So you can see it's respecting right now this 445.74, which was a POC level that I had on October 1st. So that's pretty good right now, pre-market, but there's a lot of time. We still got well over an hour before the regular market trades. And so let's take a look at the broader markets before we close off here. Broader markets. So this is a 4-hour candle that I'm looking at on both of these charts right now. Let's just break this down to a 15-minute. Get a little more data here. So there's some good volume here right now. I would say right now for today, if you could break and hold above this 25,500 level and hold there, I think you could push higher today. And again, I would like to see maybe a push higher and then pull back into this 25,394 level. You never know if you're going to get that or not today. And then, but again, you got to watch the price action as the day turns over here. As far as Tesla for today, I am going to have the 550 calls, which expired today, and I am probably going to put the 440 puts up in here. So yesterday the 440 puts closed at 287, and the 450 calls closed at 605. So today, again, it's expiration today, so you can't get married to trades. You have to get in and out of your position. So anyways, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and join me in Discord today at 8:15 to 10 o'clock for some live trading. We started doing a beta run on that this week. So we've had a few members in there, and so we're trying to build up that community. So please join us and have a safe trading day. And I will talk to everybody in the Discord channel. And if not,